Coming to study at the University of Sheffield is honestly one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. Not only because of the incredible amount of personal and academic development opportunities it has afforded me, but also I've had a chance to be involved in the #1 students' union in the country. I was lucky enough to be elected to the role of International Students Officer, which means I've been working full-time for a year in the Students' Union after I finished my degree. Due to this position, I have been able to meet so many international students from all around the world, supporting and representing them through their journey, as well as witnessing their achievements. The thing that they have told me again and again is that Sheffield has become the second home to them, and they are really proud to tell people that they have studied at the University of Sheffield. This university is both a meeting of minds and a meeting of nations and cultures. It's a place where ideas can flourish and where globally aware citizens are developed. Everyone is welcome here and every culture is respected because we are international.